Hi guys, as part of our previously mentioned language project, we're going to learn how to produce a flawless story of this Shona creation. This I hope will be the starting point into appreciating a different language. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys with me to it. Let's learn our first, we should learn our first sentence using the pendular method. However, to begin with, we're gonna use the pendular method on how to pronounce, and also just gonna show you 5 vowels that are important for your pronunciation in Shona. So I'm just gonna share a screen with you guys, and yeah. So the screen that we have here, like I said, you have five uh, vowels that you're supposed to know for your pronunciation. The first one we have here is R. R. That's how you pronounce it. R. E. E. O. U. I mean, you probably get the hang of it. Like I said, the first one here. R. R. E. E. O. U. So you just have to get around pronouncing those R, E, E, O, U. Then before you know it, we'll be on our way to pronouncing the first sentence using the pendular method. So yeah, check out the next video. That's when we're actually starting the first sentence. Thank you.